Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 5A. Chapter Arithmetic Progression of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start for students. My first question is question number 16. If the 10th term of an AP, if the 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is 20 more than its 13th term, find the AP. If the 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is 20 more than its 13th term, find the AP. Okay, so let's start solution of students. Let A be the first term, A be the first term and D be the common difference, D be the common difference of an AP. Okay, let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. So students, 10th term of an AP is 52, 10th term. So T10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Okay, that is A plus 9D. A plus 9D at each 52. For students, A plus 9D equal to 52. This is equation first. Okay, and 17th term is 20 more than its 13th term. So 17 terms, that is 17th term is more than 20 more than 17th term is 20 more than its 13th term. So students, 13th term, तो 13th term में अगर हम 20 को ऐड कर दें, 20 प्लस कर दें 13th टर्म में, तो 17 टर्म के क्या होगा, इक्वल हो जाएगा. चलिए 17 टर्म को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a प्लस 16d, a प्लस 17 माइनस 1 इंटू डी, और दैट इज द a प्लस 16d इक्वल टू 13th टर्म को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं a प्लस 12d एंड प्लस 20. ओके, सो a प्लस 16d माइनस a माइनस 12d इक्वल टू 20. a से a कैंसिल, 16d माइनस 12d दैट इज 4d. 4d इक्वल टू 20 and 4 5 ja 20, that is d equal to 5. Okay, and put the value of d in equation 1. Put the value of d in equation 1. So from equation first, a plus 9d, that is a plus 9 multiply the value of d equal to 5 equal to 52. This imply a plus 45 equal to 52 and a equal to 52 minus 45 equal to 7. For students, hence a equal to 7 and d equal to 5. Okay, so find the AP. So AP, the first term is 7, second term is a plus d. So a plus d, that is 12. Third term is a plus 2d, that is 7 plus 2d, यानी 5 2 जा 10 और plus 17. Okay, dot 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 3. Okay, so this is required AP. Okay, students, our next question is question number 19. Find the sum of two middlemost terms of the AP minus 4 by 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 2 by 3 dot 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 4 upon 1 by 3. Okay, so let's start solution, students. Here given a equal to minus 4 by 3, क्योंकि फर्स्ट टर्म इज माइनस 4 by 3 of this AP. For a equal to minus 4 by 3, d equal to minus 1 minus 4 by 3. Okay, so minus 1 and plus 4 by 3 equal to, left take LCM, minus 3 and plus 4, and that is 1 by 3. So d equal to 1 by 3. Okay, d equal to, d is the common difference, and common difference equal to 1 by 3. And here last term is given, 4 upon 1 by 3. Last term, that is the Tn. Tn equal to 4 upon 3 by 4 upon 1 by 3. 4 3 is 12 and 1 13 by 3. Okay, so students, we write Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is called nth term, equal to 13 by 3, and put the value of a and d in Tn. So a minus 4 by 3 plus n minus 1 into the value of d is 1 by 3. Okay, so this imply minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 and plus n by 3 plus n by 3 multiply 1 by 3 into n by 3 and minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 13 by 3 equal to 13 by 3. For students, n by 3 equal to 13 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3. For take LCM is 3, and that is 13 plus 1 plus 4. So 18 by 3. 3 6 is 18, and n equal to 6 multiply by cross multiplication, n by 3 equal to 6. So n equal to 6 multiply 3, that is 18. So n equal to 18. It means the number of turns of this given AP is 18. यानी कि नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स की जो नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स जो है इस AP में वो कितने 18 है, वो 18 है. So the middle most turns, two middle most turns, तो 18 by 2 that is ninth term and the 10th term. Okay, this is the middle most term. So find the value of sum of two middle most term. The sum of two middle most term, it means T9 and plus T10. Okay, so find the value of T9 plus T10 equal to T9. So a plus 8d and plus T10, a plus 9d. Okay, and a 2a and 8d and 9d, that is 17d, and put the value of a and d in this equation. So a equal to minus 4 by 3, so that is 2 multiply minus 4 by 3 plus 17d. 17 multiply the value of d is 1 by 3, so 17 multiply 1 by 3, that is minus 4 to the minus 8 by 3 and plus 17 by 3. Okay, so T9 plus T10 equal to, take LCM is 3, and that is minus 8 and plus 17. Okay, so that is plus 9 by 3 3 is cancel for 3. Hence, the sum of the two middlemost terms, that is the sum of T9 plus T10 equal to 3. Okay. For T9 plus T10 is the middlemost term. Total number of terms in this AP is 18. So the middlemost term is 18 by 2 and the second is 18 by 2 plus 1. So 18 by 2 that is 9 or 9 plus 1 10. So find the value of T9 plus T10, that is the 3. Okay, students, our next question is question number 21. So what is question number 21? The 21 number question is find the sixth term from the end of the AP. 17, 14, 11, minus 40. So find the sixth term from the end, यानी कि लास्ट से छठा टर्म. Okay, so let's start solution of students. Here given a equal to 17, and d equal to 14 minus 17, that is minus 3. So d equal to minus 3, and here Tn equal to minus 40. Okay, that is the last term. This last term is called L. So we write that Tn and L both are same. Okay, so L equal to minus 40. Okay, sixth term from the end, that is n equal to 6. Okay, n equal to 6. So students, a equal to 17, क्योंकि in the given AP starting from 17, 14, 11, so first term is a is 17, first term is 17. So here a equal to 17 and d is the common difference. Okay, so d 14 minus 17, that is minus 3, and Tn equal to minus 14. तो Tn is also called L, यानी Tn को ही हम लोग लास्ट टर्म L के नाम से भी इंडिकेट करते हैं. तो L और Tn दोनों क्या है, सेम है. तो L इक्वल टू माइनस 40 एंड N इक्वल टू 6. चूंकि फाइंड द सिक्स्थ टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द AP, यानी एंड से हमारा छठा टर्म, यानी टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फ्रॉम द एंड इज 6. ओके, सो sixth term from the end, sixth term from the end of the AP of the given AP equal to L minus n minus 1 into D, minus n minus 1 into D. So students, sixth term from the end equal to, here L, so L equal to minus 40 minus n minus 1, so 6 minus 1, चूंकि n equal to 6 minus 1, and d equal to minus 3. The value of d equal to minus 3. So minus 40 minus 6 multiply minus 3, minus 18, and minus into minus plus 3. Here minus 40 minus into minus plus 18 and plus minus minus 3. Okay, and 40 and minus 3 equal to minus 43 and plus 18 equal to minus 25. So sixth term from the end of this given AP equal to -25. Okay students, our next question is question number 23. Question number 23 कि is -150 is -150 a term of the AP 11 8 5 2 what? क्या -150 यानी कि -150 एक टर्म है इस दिस गिवन एपी का? मतलब ये जो दिया हुआ एपी है स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 11, फॉर इफ दिस गिवन एपी का -150 क्या एक टर्म है? यस और नो? ओके चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. गिवन एपी इज 11, 8, 5, 2 Here A equal to 11, D equal to 8 minus 11, that is -3, and Tn equal to -150. मान लेते हैं कि Tn जो है हमारा -150 is the nth term. Okay, so here Tn equal to -150. Okay, so Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, that is -150. A, put the value of A equal to 11 plus n minus 1 and D equal to -3. So 11 plus -3n and plus 3, and remove bracket 11 -3n plus 3. So 11 और 3 14 -3n equal to -150. So students 14 minus 3n equal to -150. Okay, so here find the value of n. So 3n equal to 14 and plus 150. 150 को इधर ले आए, -3n को उधर ले गए, तो that is 3n equal to 4 164. So n equal to 164 by 3, that is 54 upon 2 by 3. 54 upon 2 by 3. So students n is not a natural number. यहाँ जो n का वैल्यू है वो आया 54 upon 2 by 3. So here n is not a natural number. Hence we write keep -150 is not a term of the given AP. ओके, यानी -150 जो है इस AP का कोई टर्म नहीं है. Our next question is question number 26. 26 number question. The seventh term of an AP is -4. Seventh term, कोई एक AP है इसका सेवेंथ टर्म जो है वो -4 है, एंड इट्स 13th टर्म इज -15 एंड 13th टर्म इज -16. फाइंड द AP. वो AP फाइंड करना है जिसका सेवेंथ टर्म -4 है और 13th टर्म जो -16 है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट्स. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of the given AP. Okay, A be the first term and D be the common difference of the AP. So seventh term of an AP is -4. Seventh term, so that is T7 equal to -4. Here student we write T7 को A plus 6D. A plus n minus 1 into D. It means A plus 7 minus 1 into D. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. That is the A plus 6D equal to -4. This is equation first. Okay, and 13th term is minus 16 and T13, 13th term equal to minus 16. For student, we write 13th term a plus 12d, that is a plus 12d equal to minus 16. This is equation 2. Okay, and from equation 1 and 2, okay, for a plus 6d equal to minus 4 and a plus 12d equal to minus 16. On subtracting, okay, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, okay, so that is change sign, plus minus minus plus. For plus a minus h cancel, and minus 12d and plus 6d, that is minus 6d equal to plus 16 minus 4, that is 12. So students, d equal to 12 by minus 6. 6 2 are 12, so d equal to minus 2. Okay, d equal to minus 2. The common difference d equal to minus 2, and find the value of a from equation 1 or equation 2. So let's from equation 1. For equation 1 is a plus 6d, a plus 6d equal to minus 4. Put the value of d equal to minus 2. So a and 6 multiply minus 2 equal to minus 4, that is a, and 6 2 are 12 minus 12 equal to minus 4, and a 12 minus 4 equal to 8. So a equal to 8 and d equal to minus 2. That AP is 8, 6, 4, 2, dot dot dot. So this is the required AP. Students, our next question is question number 31. 31 number question, determine the nth term. nth term को determine करना है of the AP, which 7th term is minus 1 and the 16th term is 70. Okay, 7th term is minus 1 is given and the 16th term is 70 is given. Okay, so let's start solution. For students, given क्या है, 7th term is minus 1. For T7 equal to minus 1. A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay, so Tn equal to minus 1. T7 7th term, तो T7 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, a plus 6d equal to minus 1. This is equation 1. Okay, and the 16th term is 17 and T16 equal to 17. That is T16 को हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, a plus 15d equal to 17. This is equation 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, yeah, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From equation 1 and 2 we get, so a plus 6d equal to minus 1 and a plus 15d equal to 70. Find change on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, plus a minus h cancel, minus 15d and plus 6d, that is minus 9d equal to minus 17 and minus 1, that is minus 18. For student, here minus 9d equal to minus 18. Minus minus is cancel, 9 2 ja 18. So d equal to 2. Okay, and from equation 1, from equation 1 से find the value of a. So a plus 6 multiply 2, d equal to 2, 6d equal to minus 1. So a plus 12 equal to minus 1. So a equal to minus 1 minus 12, that is minus 30. So a equal to minus 30. and d equal to 2. Okay, so determine the nth term. So tn equal to, students, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term, that is the tn, nth term. So a equal to 2, sorry, a equal to minus 13 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is minus 30 plus 2n and minus 2. Okay, minus 13 and minus 2 equal to minus 15 plus 2n, that is 2n minus 15 is the nth term. 2n minus 15 is the nth term. Okay, thank you.